Hello, good morning, how are you? I am fine. Good morning to you too. Hooray! Only 10 days to the holidays. I know, I have been counting the days too. So am I. What are you going to do with your holidays? I should like to go to the hills for a change. But that means I need money. But I don't think my father will give it to me. So what are you going to do? I shall go home. My home is in the hilly part, where it is fairly cool in summer. And I think I shall find plenty to do there. You are lucky. My home is in the plains, and it is quite hot there. And I soon get tired of small village life. Well, look here. Why don't you come to my home and stay with me for a few weeks? That would be fine for me, but I suppose your father won't want me there. Not at all. My father told me last year when I was at home that I should bring one of my school fellow with me and have a good time. So come along. I should love it. It's very kind of you. Splendid. We can have some good time together. So we shall. Thank you so much. You don't need to thank me because I shall myself have a much jollier time with you there than if I were alone.